A leading pharmaceutical client in India exported a high-value consignment of finished products to their US counterpart on FOB air shipment terms. The journey began smoothly, but once the cargo reached the United States, an unforeseen event changed everything. The vehicle carrying the shipment met with an accident. Although there was no visible damage, the client's US entity immediately feared possible contamination, given the nature of pharmaceutical products.
This was when Tata AG's role truly mattered. The local US policy couldn't cover suspected contamination, but instead of declining the claim, we activated the global program. The difference in condition or difference in limits protection in marine policy provides coverage that fills the gap when a local policy offers lower limits and the insured is protected by higher limits arranged under a master or global marine insurance program. By leveraging the broader DIC-DIL protection, we ensured the client received the coverage they needed. Our teams worked seamlessly across borders, from reviewing the documents, aligning underwriters, to keeping everyone informed. Despite the complexity, the claim was swiftly approved and paid, giving our client timely financial support. Our transparency, quick response, and expertise were appreciated by both the client and the broker. At Tata AIG, this case stands as a strong reminder of what we do best: supporting our clients globally with consistency, clarity, and commitment, no matter where the challenge arises. This case reinforces a vital lesson. The wider coverage under the master policy, especially the DIC-DIL protection, truly comes to the rescue at the hour of need. It ensures that even when local policies fall short, our clients remain fully protected under the broader global program.